Alright developers, let's settle the score, Cursor or Trae AI. If you're torn between these two AI code companions, I'm here to give you the quick and dirty breakdown. No fluff, just facts you can actually use. First up, Cursor. This one's the industry go-to for a reason. It's all about iterative refinement. Think rapid, high-precision suggestions that slot right into your workflow. You're in control. Cursor shines in professional production work, helping you refactor, debug, and polish code with near-instant latency. We're talking about blazing fast suggestions, usually under 200 milliseconds. And with 32K tokens worth of context, it's no slouch in handling complex codebases. Now, Trae AI, ByteDance's newcomer. This tool flips the script with its think-before-doing mindset. Instead of just suggesting code, Trae steps back, analyzes your task, and maps out a project-wide plan before it touches a single line. It's perfect for rapid prototyping and greenfield projects. And thanks to its massive 64K or even 100K token window, Trae can keep tabs on huge monorepos and maintain cross-file consistency like a champ. The trade-off? It's a bit slower, usually around 240 milliseconds, but it often nails those big, complex features right out of the gate. Let's talk cash. Cursor's Pro plan is about $20 a month, while Trae often comes in cheaper or even free, around $10 depending on your setup. Now, ecosystem and privacy. Cursor is deeply integrated with the VS Code marketplace, loaded with mature privacy settings and trusted by enterprise teams. Trae is newer, so its privacy policies are still evolving. Plus, being ByteDance owned, some developers have raised concerns. So, which one's for you? Grab Cursor. If you're a professional dev working on production codebases, you want speed, control, and a proven privacy track record. Go with Trae AI if you're prototyping, building from scratch, or want an AI agent to handle planning for you, and you're okay with a bit of extra weight for that first suggestion. Still can't decide?